Alright, so you're selling at school, but you don't know where to get the snacks or restock at. Like, what's the best stores and the best prices that you could get the most bang for your buck and make the most amount of money? In this video, I'm gonna go to a bunch of different stores that you guys told me to go to. I'm gonna tell you recommendations of what you should get, what you shouldn't get, so you guys can make the choice and find out what's the best spot where you could go, where you can get the most amount of money and the most amount of profits. You feel me? Alright, bet, but before we go to the stores, you see all the cash I got from selling at school? We gotta deposit it into the bank, you feel me? So we put it in the bank and let's go. Alright, so we're going to the 99-cent store. We're just gonna see what they got. I have mid hopes for this because I mean you never know, bro. Alright, so now we're just walking inside the 99-cent store, and first thing I go to the chip out, and look at what I find, bro. Takis. 10 Takis for $5. That's a pretty good deal. Alright, bet. So now we in the candy aisle, you feel me? We're just looking at the candies. They got a nice little selection that they do. They're like a lot of boxes, a lot of bags, so you can do whatever you want with them. Those Sour Patch is good, but look at, they got these is good, $2, and then they also got these Cheetos, $6. I'd rather go with the Takis, but they also have these waters. Bro, that's a good deal. And now we're at the pastries area, you feel me? So they got good deals. You could get some of these, but I feel like they're all gonna smush pretty easy, except for the Nutter Butters. That's why I was picking at those. But now we in the drinks aisle. Arizona's, you can get those. The Gatorades, it's low-key a little expensive, but they also have these little muffins that I found. That's low-key a good deal. And they also have a limit for the chips. I bet. So you guys saw me. We were just in the 99-cent store. Like, they didn't really have too much. This car keeps dinging, but whatever, bro. So they didn't have too much. If you're just starting, you have one near you, might as well go try it, because they did have the Takis, those Cosmic Brownies, and the Nutter Butters. One thing I would recommend to get is them Takis if this is your first time selling, just to see it out. It's $5 for 10 Takis. I got a video coming on prices, like how should you price your items when you're selling at school, so people don't complain and you still get profit and get your bread up, you feel me? We're gonna go to Costco, see what Costco got, but yeah. Alright, so we just got a Costco. I got the cart and we're going inside. We're gonna try to find the best snacks that you guys could probably sell, and I'm gonna show you what I'm gonna get. Alright, bet. So we in Costco just looking stuff around, you feel me? Little bites, how much is these? 20 pouches, selling for $1. We'll try it. $30, $10. Get it. 90 pack, you can sell them 2 for $1, so it's $40 or whatever you want. That's good. We're not gonna get fruit roll-ups 2 for $1. How much is that? 24. It's not worth it to me, at least. Now this is the gum. I saw it here last time I was here. I tried it. They didn't sell too much, so I just use them for my own personal, because that's low-key expensive. But these are a good deal. You could get these. I'm not gonna get them. They didn't really sell too much anymore for me, but they used to sell crazy. So now we're just walking. Let's go look for other stuff. Just looking through the aisles. I'm not seeing any other snacks, but we're gonna keep looking. This is a good deal. If you could get, you can sell them for $1, but I'm not sure. It's not worth it to me personally. If you could sell these would be a good deal. Sell them for $1, but I'm not gonna get them personally. I tried these, they didn't sell, so not getting them. Now, if you could sell these 2 for $1, these would be worth it, but they're low-key expensive. What is this? I've never seen that in my life. This is low-key a good deal, but I have a feeling they're like really small, so I don't know how 32 of them fits in here. $10. It's not worth it to me personally. Now this is a good deal. $20 for 42, so that's like $22 profit. We're taking a box of these, selling for $1. So we're already at like 20. What'd you say, 50? Round up, be conservative. Goopy snacks, I haven't seen these in like since I was in elementary. These are a good deal. Not sure I'm gonna get them, but be conservative. These, I tried these in like the beginning of the year. They didn't really sell, but you could get these if you want. $45. Oh, 45. Yeah, $45. You sell them for $1 or 2 for $1. It's up to you. But they didn't sell for me and they cracked too easy. That's free game. What if I just buy like a whole crate of that, bro? Like imagine the profit. Nah. Wait, can I? Nah. Spotted the chips. Now this is a good deal because I sell these big bags and the little bags. Oh, look at what they have. They bring these back rarely. These do not sell, and usually they pack like 10 of them and like skip out on the turbo. But it depends if the Lay's gonna sell. To me, it's not worth it anymore because they didn't sell. The Pringles, 36. Pleasure. 23, too expensive. Me personally, now. All right, bet. So now we're getting on the chips. Now look at how I packed them. Write this down and take notes. I'm putting 4 at the bottom so I can fit 4. I put them on the side because that's how they fit. Let's get all these. Nah, just play magic. All right, bet. So we continue packing. I like to use one cart, so I try to pack them a certain way so I can pack the most. But I'm keeping track of how many chips I'm buying. 200. Spend 200. Costco. Good deal. I just like to buy a bunch of them and then like order the rest of the candy or whatever I don't find here at Amazon. And I'm gonna show you guys what I order off Amazon whenever I do order off Amazon, and that's on a weekly basis. So yeah, right now we're chilling with this. All right, so we gotta feed the family. Tortillas and eggs, you feel me? We're chilling. Big organic. We're going up, you feel me? Now I don't know where drinks are. I don't got time to be looking for them. Chilling with this, so let's go past. It's gonna be like two something. We just saying 250 to be conservative, round up, you feel me? But straight. Let's go back.
Please scan your membership card or touch need assistance.
Alright, bet, so you guys can see I spent around 200. We're just saying 200. You can't see my pen though. What you tripping about?
Thank you for shopping at Costco.
Alright, bet, so we got all this at Costco, but I'll be here in Costco about some good eats, so. Get that video, man. Get your hands behind you. Yes, the video. Stop tripping. You might be spotted all over YouTube, man. Tripping for. Race too. You ain't gonna. Oh no, it's wet. No, let's get talking. Mess up. Talk out. No, it's not. First time trying these. We're gonna see how they sell. These always get so. It's raining, so can't put them in the back of the truck or the bed because they're gonna get wet. And I don't want them wet because they're going in my closet. Oh yeah, we stacked up. Stacked up. Don't trip. Oh, what? No, no way. Wait. Put it in. Put it on. Oh, a minute. No splashes. Next store, Smart & Final. So we're going to Smart & Final, but first I had my boy that works at Smart & Final, so I was like, hey bro, Charlie, do they got Gatorades? Preferably red and blue, because that's what people be liking. So I was like texting him, and he answered me. So we pulled up to Smart & Final. I bet. So we get in a cart and we just going into the store. You feel me? But we just checking out. They got some gum. They got some big candies. But look at the Airheads, bro. These low-key a good deal. These Takis, they were low-key a little expensive, but I do like Smart & Final. But they're always missing stuff, bro. Like, they got good candies, and it's like, I think it's a little cheaper than Amazon, but they're always missing like everything, bro. Like all the good candies. But now we in the drinks, you feel me? So look at the drinks. These are Arizonas. Those is low-key a good deal because you get 50% plus profit on those Arizona teas. So I recommend those, even the other Arizonas. But look at the sodas. We got the sodas. These sodas a good deal too if you're just starting, but I do not like sodas because one of them popped on me freshman year. Or you could even get these Snapples, you feel me? Those are a good deal. You could even get the Smart & Finals drink, sports drinks. It's up to you. The Gatorade Zero, do not get Gatorade Zero. Nobody likes those. I had a hard time selling those when I did buy those one time. Powerade, that's low-key a good deal, but people probably won't buy those as well. Now look at, got these good Gatorades, the Fierce, and look at the price, bro. I just ran up to 20, 24 times 2. I sell them for 2. It's 48, so that's $28 profit. So we stacking them. We take all of these, you feel me? So there was like 4 or 5, so I just took all of them. I'm just packing them in the cart right now, you feel me? Now these good. They got green, grape, and blue, and those are like the best colors. The green's so decent. Those is all right. People didn't really buy those like turquoise blue. These are good too, but people don't really buy the orange ones as well. The vitamin waters, those are decent, but it's low-key expensive. You can find it cheaper somewhere else. Get it. Also, you could get those Starbucks drinks. I haven't tried those, but because I don't want them to crack, but you could try them. Now we're going to the sodas. Sodas, they're decent. They do sell good, but they're low-key heavier because they're aluminum and they could pop. That's the only risk you take. So I'm paying. We finally got the Gatorades. Let's go. Easy profit. Good drinks. Next store. My fault, bro. I know, my fault. But this is part 1 out of part 2. I'm gonna go to other stores in the next video, so you guys gotta stay tuned for that. Comment any other stores you guys want me to go to that aren't gonna be in the next video. I'm gonna try to go to every single store that you guys want me to go to, at least review them. So comment it down below.